Hey, if you're tired of those pesky mosquitoes when you're trying to enjoy your outdoor spaces at your home, I have the answer for you. It's Petromax Guaranteed Guard Mosquito Miracle. I spray this at my house every 2 weeks. It keeps the mosquitoes away. I don't have to worry about my kids getting bit up. I don't have to worry about my wife complaining to me about the mosquitoes anymore. It is Petromax's Guaranteed Guard Mosquito Miracle. It's an all-natural solution made from essential. So some of the oils in here are citronella, lemongrass. It's a proprietary blend, but it will keep the mosquitoes away. This is what you need to use. Ditch all the other chemically enhanced chemicals that maybe you're paying a service to do or maybe you're doing yourself. And it pairs perfectly with the PetroTools 2.6 gallon battery fogger. This atomizes the solution. You only need about 4 ounces per 2 gallons, and it's gonna cover all of your yard. I'm gonna show you how I do it at my house every 2 weeks. And again, we don't have any issues with mosquitoes and we live in a wooded area.